Hi, I'm Avinash Landke, the Director of Malaz Education Society, Smileys Pre-Primary School. Myself is B Civil student and I've covered my interior landscapes and real estate management since from 2000 to 2004 my education has completed. But due to the problems about the early childhood educations and all those things, I started in my mind to start the school. There were so many schools who stated themselves as an international school. They were preschools, though they were international, but all the education and all the surroundings, the interior and exterior all together was just like you can say a Gavran type. Means it was totally a local level school and they were stating themselves as an international one. Second thing was that it was a business. Preschool now has become a business for some industries, some corporates. But for me, the basic education of children was very important. I made a survey just for my curiosity that whether the children are really learning or really they are having that much of strength of understanding all the syllabus what they are stating. In fact, it was not happening like that. So in 2004, the thought came into my mind to start such a school in which the children from 2 years to 6 years of age, what we call as a preschool curriculum age, will get all and each and every knowledge of A to Z and from 1 to 20 and all the abacus and all the studies and all the mathematics and all the GKs and all the EVs as such. So I stated in my mind that I will start a school, the school which will give the output a fix and 100% result to the people. Parents, while admitting their school, don't think about such a thing because some of the parents are going for the job. They just want their children to be away from their job from 9 o'clock say up to 6 o'clock concerning their job timing. Some parents want children to be very prescribed. They should know each and everything just at the age of 2 years. Some parents want to manage the age of the children as per their curriculum because they want their child perfectly at 16 to 15 age at 10 standard only. Some parents are not responsible for the children because they are only putting their children just for to be away from the home. They don't care about that. Some parents don't have any persons in their homes as they are working outside. So preschool is not actually a babysitting class. Preschool is not actually a daycare center. Preschool in my mind is the place where your child is first coming to the society, the social society in this world, because the mommy and papa are the world of the child, the primary world of the child up to 2 years. After 2 years, when the child is in preschool, I consider that child as a social member because he is entering in the world of sociology, in the social reforms and all these things. So I started school in 2004. I collected all my knowledge and everything concerned with this preschool, and I started first school in 2005, and then I started my journey from let us say from Dhankavadi, then from this Kondwa, and again I have expanded my schools into 2 branches also. One of them is in Khadakwasla and this is the primary branch from where I am speaking. So when I started the school, we started with the result oriented classes. We are following the CBSE pattern in Smileys Pre-Primary School. Smileys first started with the 4 students in 2004 and now we have a total strength of 200 students plus of total branches. So I think it's a great. We are not concerning about the quantity, but we are concerning about the quality. So our ratio is between 1:20 and we follow the theme that every child has a right to ask the questions. 100 questions he will ask to the teachers and teachers are compulsory made to give answers to the child. So it is from my point of view that every teacher, every parent, every person who is concerning with the child, he should give the answer to the child because the child has a curious mind and he has some imagination, some thinking, some technical knowledge behind him. He has some perceptions about, let us say, if a lion is eating the cow or a goat, or if he is hungry, so a child will say that a lion is like a red color because he has eaten the goat, or he has eaten a rabbit, so the blood will have on the body of the lion. So it is something like that. So my school is Smiles Primary School, and we have playgroup, nursery, junior and senior KG, and other activity classes like phonics, then abacus, and then Vedic maths also. From the age of 3 years, from nursery to senior KG, we are teaching the basics of abacus, phonics, and the Vedic maths also. Here we are concerned with the teachers. We train the teachers as we have an institute in the name of Design School of Vocational Training Center. In this institute, we make a research on the children's from 2 years to 6 years concerning about their early childhood education, their physical psychology, mental psychology, monetary skills, and the AI skills, whatever we are teaching to the children's now. So we are hiring the teachers, or we are training the teachers in such a way that the teacher could answer the 100 questions of the children, and she should give the reasonable answer to the child in concern with the early childhood education. For this instance, I appeal to all the peoples of Pune or Maharashtra as such. My school has a difference that I give only the 100% result to the parents, and parents are very satisfied since I think 25 years have passed now. Okay, 20 to 21 years have passed, and we are into the success, and we are always increasing by year to year, and we are making so many innovations like digital platform, having the software which are helping to the children's, to the parents, applying the GPS to the navigation systems to the school vans, and training the Aya persons who are caring to the children's, teaching them all the general knowledge, rules, environmental studies, mathematics, physics, and English in a CBSE pattern way. Thank you.